Today I'm making chicken fajitas. I have about 1 kilo of chicken breast in a bowl. It's already cut and sliced, and now we're just going to marinate it. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, add in 1 tablespoon paprika, half tablespoon garlic powder, half a tablespoon of seasoning salt, or you can use regular salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Now just mix this all together and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Once it's all mixed in, cover this bowl and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. So I'm using a cast iron for this. Just cook your chicken on both sides. Now cook the chicken well, and I like to have a little bit of char on mine so you can keep it for a little bit longer just so that it gets that nice crust on top. Now let's fry up the veggies. So I just added in some oil, salt, and pepper to this, and just put it on your cast iron. Now notice how the veggies decreased in size. This is exactly what you want. And all the char from the chicken is just getting all on that veggies, and all the goodness is on the veggies. It smells so good, you guys. So this is it. This is my version of the chicken fajitas. Come check this out. We have the tortillas, some cheese, some lime, the veggies, chicken. You can have this with some sour cream, some salsa, anything that you like.